Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Voice control on your iPhone is a powerful accessibility feature that allows you to control your device using your voice. However, if you no longer need it or find it accidentally activated, you might want to disable it. Here is how you can easily turn off voice control on your iPhone. The first step is to open the Setting app. Locate and tap on Setting app on your iPhone home screen. Next, you scroll down and tap Accessibility. Navigate to Voice Control. In the Accessibility menu, find and tap Voice Control. Next, you turn off Voice Control. If Voice Control is currently enabled, you will see an option labeled Voice Control with a toggle switch next to it. Tap the toggle switch to turn it off. This switch will move to the left and the voice control will be disabled. You can also confirm the activation. A pop-up may appear asking if you want to disable voice control. Confirm your choice by tapping Turn Off. We also have an alternative method via Home button or Side button. If you have set up a voice control to be activated via the Home button on iPhone's models with Home button or the Side button on iPhone models without a Home button, you can also disable it by changing the button setting. Stay in the Accessibility menu. Scroll down and tap on Home button or Side button depending on your iPhone model. Under the Press and Hold to Speak section, select Off. This will ensure that pressing and holding the Side button or Home button does not activate voice control. Disabling voice control on your iPhone is straightforward and can be done in a few simple steps. Whether you are turning it off through the Setting app or adjusting the Home or Side button setting, you can quickly deactivate this feature whenever needed, ensuring your device operates just the way you want it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in our next one. Bye bye.